Just do it now. Let's go. We are once again back, baby, and this time we've got a kit from MakerFire. Is it MakerFire? MakerFire. They contacted us a few weeks ago and said, we've got a new kit. Is it something that you'd be interested in? And ultimately, for probably a lot of the people on this channel, it might not be. However, it's got one thing in it that I think could entice some newbies. Now, this is not going to be a kit that you're going to think, right, I can go and do professional shoots with. This gets you into the hobby really, really cheaply. And away he goes. Now, Boy Wonder obviously is used to things that are a little bit more crazy, so this shouldn't be a problem for him. Let's see if we can do a nice close pass by next to us.
I have to be careful because there's some water.
Like, it's really super stable in flight, isn't it? Any problems? It's super, how easy is it to fly? So
really easy.
We can see Boy Wonder's using the screen. I was flying with goggles, but you can have the screen on as well, so you can have that as spectators or etc. And well, he's taken off with it without a problem. Now the flip button is the right hand side button, so if you come a little bit closer to us.
We'll probably stay here and open a little bit.
Yeah, that's fine, there we go. Come a little bit closer. You're absolutely fine to come closer.
Up the speed a little bit, that's way better.
Bit closer, bit closer.
I can't really because it's just drifting a bit.
Hang on, okay. Oh, hang on a minute. My camera work is not as good as my presentation work. Right, okay, do a trick. There we go. And again. And again. There we go. So that's what it looks like when you do a trick.
We'll go full
with this
speed.
newbie kit. Now it's going full speed.
I think that is.
And away he goes. Just come a little bit closer if you can. Because
it's quite stable.
It's really stable. For something that's only a 1S and that's not brushless, can you fly in between these trees here? Have you got the skills? There he goes. Doing last week with the dolly fly. We've got water over there, we've got jeopardy everywhere. There he goes. And there he crashes.
I thought it was an opening, some branches. I didn't see the branches there.
Right. I can actually see it, it's just there.
Yeah, I got it.
Can you see it just there? Hang on. Yeah. Go on, I can't get in there.
I didn't
just right in front of you there.
I didn't see these at all.
Just right in front of you there.
Yeah, when I was on the camera view, I did not see
No, well it's difficult. If you stand here and fly it from here, if you can recover it before the battery dies. In the meanwhile, let me tell you a little bit of history. This is water. The UK is an island surrounded by water and notoriously has water shortages. That concludes this week's history lesson. Right, Boy Wonder's got the drone. Right, Boy Wonder, what I would recommend to you is pop it on the floor here.
It was just way too bright, I couldn't see a thing.
Make sure your camera angle's right. Stand here and then go through that gap there. Can you see it? Turn around and then fly back through it and land. Right, here he goes.
Go for it.
So you're a bit high. Where are you going? The gap's about 20 foot below you. Oh, there's a gap there. Yeah, go for that one. And there he goes.
Max speed mode.
Through the gap. Right, now turn it around and bring it back in from this gap that's right in front of your face here. Here he comes.
Oh, I see it.
Now, stay tuned until the end because we do have a giveaway of one of these kits that you guys can win.
I don't know if this is the gap, but
And it's a completely free to enter giveaway. Beautiful, look at that. And hopefully Boy Wonder's stick cam is working so I can
yeah, it is working.
link the flight footage. I have got goggles on my head as well, but I forgot to check whether I pressed record when he actually took off.
It's not doing flips, so it's dead.
Alright, so bring it through here one last time before, so when the battery dies it does just fall out of the air, so bring it straight through this foliage And let's see.
YOLO!
YOLO! Beautiful. Look at that. Is it Boy Wonder FPV approved?
Yes.
Who would you recommend it for?
The newbies.
Newbies. Will they find it easy to control?
Yes.
Will they find it intuitive? Like is there any difficulty setting it up, or any sort of
No.
things?
You didn't really need to set it up because it's all set up.
Pretty
for
much
you.
just plug and play,
Yeah.
isn't it? And that's a good thing, because sometimes Betaflight does get a little bit confusing, doesn't it? Whereas with something like this, you just plug it in and away you go.
Yeah.
Right, join us. We're going to come out of these bushes because we look like two dodgy men, and let's discuss a few final thoughts before we go back to the studio, but also some interesting details on the competition. I'll see you all in a second. So as we open the box, we can see we've got obviously the drone. Now it is a brushed drone and it is an analog drone. Which way is forwards? Because that appears to have come out. I'm gonna guess. We'll guess that way. So we've got the screwdriver, spare props. We've got charger. We've got an antenna. Interestingly, we'll come to that in a minute. Got another battery. Let's have a look at what this is then, shall we? This is 3.7 volts, 300 miles, so 1S. We've got, I don't know what that's for. We've got another canopy. I guess if you want to make it black instead of being blue, could do that. I have no idea what this is for. Then we've got a controller, and we've got and that's what that antenna was for. So we'll grab that antenna, wherever I've just thrown absolutely everything and didn't pay. What the hell have I done with it? Oh, there it is. I'm an idiot. Right, brilliant. I'm having such great fun. Okay. Tells me to obtain the assistance of an experienced pilot. Unfortunately, I don't know one. Maybe Boy Wonder can help. No, what we're going to do, and the reason we accepted this is because I sort of made a resolution earlier on in the year to sort of move on from these sorts of kits. But Little Wonder FPV hasn't flown for such a long time, and it just seems like the ideal kit for a kid like that. So it just made perfect sense. These are your stick ends that just stick in. This is not a premium kit, but this is a kit that's going to get you in the air for cheap, and you're going to find out very quickly, do I like this sort of stuff or no? So the screen is lovely and bright. I do need to angle it purely because of the studio lights in here. Brilliant. And then let's plug this in, and we're on the wrong channel, obviously. But to change channels, there's a button, an up and down button on the side. Auto searching, of course. Auto searching would make perfect sense, wouldn't it? There we go. I think we found the channel. Raised band 8, there's no latency, it's analog, so instant no latency. What if we got the screen to look at the screen? Grow up, quads, grow up. So let's have a quick look on the side of the box. It tells me that it's called the MakerFire Blue Bee 2. It's a 1S with a 300 mAh capacity. It's got coreless motor, so it's not brushless, but it's the sort of the best of the brushed, if you like. Remote control is closed source, so it's not ELRS. You can't use it on future drones, and I don't know what it is because it just says it's closed source. Flight distance is around about 100 meters, which with a brushed whoop like this, that's fine. Flight time is around 5 minutes. That'll be very impressive. VTX power is maximum 25 milliwatt, which is the legal the legal limit here in the UK. So that's absolutely fine. For research purposes, I'll find out if there's a way to unlock more power. 800 TV lines, 148 degrees angle. Video receiver is a MakerFire 3-inch FPV monitor. It's got altitude hold, headless mode, self-stabilization mode, 3-speed mode, 1-key takeoff and landing, and it's obviously 5.8 gigahertz. So just rewinding then for a second. Now I've actually read some of the instructions and understood things. You can actually see on the back of this camera, hopefully, there are lights here, and that tells us what band we're on, and we can hold that down, change. So you can change the channel with a short press, and with a long press you can change the band. Just can't quite do it from this angle and also showing you. So that's that. I just wanted to show you that because that's quite important. Now, from the videos I've seen, I'm going to go with, that goes on there like that. And that goes on there like that. And then you have a nice all-in-one solution. We'll have a proper look at this outside, but that's quite a clever solution actually. So you've literally got, I'm trying to get everything on the camera here. That's your charger for your battery. There's your spare battery, and then these are all just your spare parts, so on and so forth. So actually, yeah, now we've figured that bit out, which seems to flummox me a little bit too much. Should also be able to have a quick look at the screen again. Yeah, so if I press that, you've also got details of color, sharpness, backlight, volume, so on and so forth, and it charges on the right hand side with a micro USB. You all know my thoughts on micro USB, so I don't need to go there again. I've now got to try and find, in fact, is there a micro USB in here? Maybe actually. Yes, there is. Wonderful. I was just about to say I need to now go and find a micro USB to get this charged. Thankfully, they've sent one, which is brilliant. You've obviously got a set of spare props as well, because that's ultimately what you're going to trash first. You do have a prop removal tool here. However, as I showed on this channel a long time ago, many months ago, the propo dial from my friend Chris is the way that I would remove tiny whoop props, because this just goes under and around and pulls them off, whereas with the metal thing you do run the risk of shearing them off and causing damage. So that is the first look at it. Overall, for the price, it's quite impressive. I've got no glaring sort of things that jump out at me and say, oh, this is not good and this is not good. For the price, I've got no issues so far. Ultimately though, what's going to matter now is taking this outside, actually flying it and finding out how well it flies, whether it's any good and whether we actually recommend it from there or not. But overall, first impressions, yeah, no problems. Let's go. The MakerFire Blue Bee 2 beginner FPV kit. Well, that was a lot of fun. Boy Wonder and I had a lot of fun with that, and it's not something that you'd necessarily think that two experienced pilots like us would enjoy, but we really genuinely have. Now it's your turn, because I'm going to give you an opportunity to win one of these entire kits and to win it for free. Let's listen to some of the details as to what you need to do to win it. Forgetting how to speak. To win one of these kits then sent to you directly from MakerFire, all I need you to do is to leave a comment in the comment section down below. It doesn't have to have any specific keywords, or you don't have to specifically say anything. Just leave a comment in the comment section down below. Now, if you could also make it funny or sassy, we could use it in the community spotlight as well. But all I need you to do initially is just leave a comment. We will then go live on the 1st of September, and on that live stream, we will pick a winner. Yes, the 1st of September, yes. And then we'll pick a winner on the 1st of September, live on stream, and this will be sent to you directly from MakerFire, whoever is the winner. So, what are you waiting for? Just do it now. Let's go.